na yung Senate pwede palang pagtaguan ng isang pugante. Ito, baka iba yung definition ng Senado rito sa protective custody. Hindi nyo pwedeng hulihin, pero pwede naming patakasin. You have to remember, sinabi nila that Senator Bato was under their protective custody. So, yun yung isang dapat na sagutin ng Senado, na you took it upon yourself noong May 11, nung kami po yung unang pumunta ron para i-effect yung arrest, na usapang lalaki po yun with the Senate President and with the other senators, na they are saying he is under the protective custody of the Senate. So ano ibig sabihin po nun? If you took it upon yourself na protective custody mo, ibig sabihin nun na pagka hindi nyo siya pwedeng kuhain sa amin, kami nang bahala, pero pag kailangan niya ng managot sa batas at kailangan siyang make him available, at yan po yung eksaktong sinabi nung ako'y nakikipag-usap sa kanila nung Lunes, na pagka meron na talaga, pag may order at talaga namang dapat na siyang isuko, hindi naman tatakas yan, hindi susuko. So, that is protective custody. I will make an example for our public to easily understand. Pumasok ka halimbawa ng isang department store, pinaiwan mo yung bag mo. Sa anong ibig sabihin nun? Ipinagtiwala mo sa kanya yung bag mo na yon, binigyan ka ng numero, sila yung may kustodiya ron. Pag nawala yan, may nangyari dyan sa gamit na yan, at kukunin mo na yon, at hindi mo mabalik, sino pa mananagot? Yung may hawak ng gamit na yon. Dahil you took it upon yourself that you will secure it. So, ibig sabihin, kung ikaw, may bala kang maging professional criminal, at maraming means ka to be a senator, magsisenador ka. Para paghuhulihin ka, nandoon ka lang sa Senado. I think, kailangan ma-realize natin yun because napapansin ko po, there is a breakdown of law and order right now. And ako ngayon, nandito ngayon sa NBI, kami ngayon sa NBI, that is what we want to promote. That we have law and order. We have to instill law and order and discipline to every Filipino right now. Then that is a big challenge to all of us, especially with the rise of social media.